What if I told you that this perfect still photo, this live photo, and this full 360 photo all came from the exact same short video clip, just a few seconds long, and it took me less than a minute to create all three? Hey, Saab here from the Tech Packer. Today I'm showing you a game-changing feature in the Insta360 app that turns any video you've shot on the X5 into a content creation machine. Let's jump in. Alright, I've got a clip open from my walk on the Gold Coast. The first step is to simply find the exact moment you want to capture. I'll scrub through the video until I find a frame that I really like, right about there. Okay, instead of using a complicated editor, just look for this button on the left side here. This one button is our magic key. When you tap it, you will see this brilliant new menu with three options: Photos, Live Snapshot, and 360 Photo. Let's go through them one by one. First up, Photos. This is for creating a traditional high quality still image. Before you save, you can swipe around, pinch to zoom, and perfectly compose your shot any way you want. You can also choose your aspect ratio. I'll pick 9:16 for an Instagram story. In fact, you might want to do that first so you can see what you'll end up with. Once you're happy, hit the check mark and it saves directly to your phone. Next, Live Snapshot. This is your iPhone style live photo. The process is identical. You find your moment, reframe it, choose your aspect ratio, and when you save, the app automatically creates a short dynamic video clip centered on your chosen frame. It's perfect for capturing the life and motion of a scene. And finally, 360 Photo. If you want to share an immersive scrollable image on a platform like Facebook, this is the option you choose. You just find your moment, and when you save it, the app exports a full 360-degree equirectangular photo. And it is that simple. From one button, you can generate three completely different types of content ready to share in a matter of seconds. Congratulations! You're now a content creation machine. I hope this quick tip helps you to create and share more amazing content. If you found it helpful, get subscribed for more practical tutorials. I'll see you in the next video up here.